In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code tasks in Google Calendar. Color coding your tasks can bring a whole new level of organization and clarity to your schedule, making it easier for you to manage and differentiate between various commitments. Whether you're juggling personal, work, or family responsibilities, this feature allows you to quickly identify and prioritize your tasks. Let's start by discussing how you can color code task lists within Google Calendar. If you've been using Google Tasks, you might know that it allows you to create different lists, such as work, personal, or family. These lists appear in Google Calendar as separate task calendars, and a handy feature is that you can assign a unique color to each one. To do this first, open your Google Calendar. On the left sidebar, you'll find a section labeled My Calendars. Scroll down until you find your task lists, which you'll see categorized under Tasks. Once you've located your lists, hover over the one you wish to assign a color to and click on the three dots that appear next to it. This will open a menu where you can choose a color for the list. Assigning a color means that all tasks within that list will now display in the color you've selected. For example, you might decide to make your work tasks blue, personal tasks green, and school tasks red. This visual distinction can be incredibly helpful when you're glancing at your weekly or monthly schedule. Now let's explore another option if you prefer more control over individual task colors. Some users find that using events instead of tasks can offer greater flexibility. If you want each task to have its own color, you can create these tasks as events within Google Calendar. Simply create a new event and title it as a to-do item or task. While creating or editing your event, you'll have the option to assign a color directly. This approach gives you the freedom to customize each task individually. Plus, you don't lose out on essential features. You can still set due dates, reminders, and receive notifications for these event-based tasks, which can be quite beneficial for keeping you on track. Color coding in Google Calendar can significantly enhance how you organize and view your daily and weekly tasks. It provides a vibrant, clear visual guide to managing your time effectively, ensuring that nothing gets missed or overlooked. Whether you stick to using task lists or prefer each task to stand out as its own event, you'll find your Google Calendar experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and happy organizing!